The honourable member for Wellington, Halton Hills North.
Mr. Speaker, Iran is a serial violator of human rights, and because of that, the government formally designates Iran as a state supporter of terrorism under the State Immunity Act. However, last Wednesday, the Liberal government voted in favor of Iran's membership to the United Nations Committee for Program and Coordination, which plans, programs, and coordinates human rights at the United Nations. Why did the government vote in favor of Iran's membership on this committee?
L'honorable secrétaire parlementaire de la ministre des Affaires étrangères.
Mr. Speaker, Prime Minister has been very clear. We are currently supporting and making sure that civilians and civilian infrastructure must be protected, international law must be respected, and we will stand for the safety and security of Canadians wherever they may be over the world. Mr. Speaker, we will continue to monitor the efforts that are being done in Iran. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.